I'm in here in north side, South Cumminsville area. Walk through this property here. It's a little 2-bed, typical north side house. High ceilings. Some of the windows have been replaced, some of them have not. The upstairs windows have been replaced, the downstairs windows have not. So you get the wood windows here. Water heater's new electric panel has been updated. There's a bedroom upstairs with a bath. So in this case, you might want to create a second bedroom here if you wanted to do the nice good sized 2-bed. The roof has been replaced. This is the kitchen. The cabinets they're kind of old. They've been painted. It would probably be worth replacing those, depending if you're going to keep it as a rental or a flip. Going upstairs here. Again, it's a very common floor plan for this area. Looking outside, you can see the backyard. You can see where the roof has been replaced. It's newer. Even the roof in the garage is newer. So upstairs, you've got the bathroom is up here, and it's kind of hard to see with the light on my video. I don't know if I could do the light on there, but you can look at the picture of the bath, the still photo, and then you've got a bedroom up here in the front. So it's up to you what you'd want to do. I've seen people go and blow these things out, put in 2 beds up here, dormer it out, make 1 master bedroom up here. There's a lot of different options. I'll try to look up some comparables with a similar floor plan to see what people have done and what values they're getting. But again, it's a pretty common 2-story floor plan for over here. We'll walk around outside.